Ride JBI. This is JB. We are taking a look at the tubes that are going to be a part of the JBI spec WP XACT Pro 6500 Cartridge Kit. These are going to be our R&D, testing, and demo forks. These fork tubes, so the outer tubes that are Kashima coated and the inner tubes that are DLC coated, are actually from a 2017 KTM 450 SXF. These tubes originally came with a WP AER 48 air fork inside of it, and these forks were used for all the testing and development of the JBI AER 48 Pro fork. So believe it or not, these outer tubes and these inner tubes have over 300 hours of ride time, because I originally got these components coated on the 2017 KTM 450 SXF. That bike was sold in 2019, and then these forks were fitted to a 2019 KTM 350 SXF. And between those two bikes, there's well over 300 hours of riding time on them. Now we have removed the AER internals because we are done doing our development on those, and we will be installing the WP 6500 XACT Pro setup. So that way we can do a lot of testing on it and fine tune the already good specs they come with. One thing we did change is the fork lugs. These are the newer fork lugs, and they are needed in order for the WP 6500 kit to properly fit. And to have some fun with it, I decided to have the lugs Cerakoted red, so that way it would match the top cap of the fork that is also red. So I'm going to get some seals and bushings installed on these tubes, and then after that we're going to install the cartridges, and we will soon have a complete set of forks. All right, welcome back. I now have finished assembling the new JBI R&D WP XACT Pro 6500 Cartridge Kit forks. So these forks are going to be our in-house forks that we use for developing more settings and just improve upon the baseline settings that these forks come at. So as these forks currently sit, they are configured exactly as WP provides them. So the valving is exactly the same, or exactly how it comes from WP. We have their recommended oil volume inside of the fork, and we will also be utilizing the recommended clickers to start. By no means this is where we are going to stay. I just want to start at where they recommend, so that way we have a very good idea of what other people are experiencing when they buy these and ride them themselves. And from there, we will begin our journey of testing and tuning different settings, and also comparing these forks against other forks that we have for KTMs. We will compare them against our JBI WP AER Pro fork setup that we have, which is currently on this bike right here. And soon we will also have a set of complete WP cone valve forks also. So that'll give us 3 different forks to test and benchmark against as we further develop settings for these forks. I already have a lot of ideas in mind. I've actually manufactured, and already have some upgrade parts available on the shelf. We just haven't done any testing or tuning with them yet. So we're starting at the baseline and going to work our way from there, and we'll keep you in the loop as we do it. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.